Yeah, we have food pantry. You have to plant something, you know. We have food pantry here. Look me up. This is not the juk up okra. This is the smooth okra. Yes, me viewers. I have a bird making house here. Yeah, but I let them go on. I rent them here so for a little while. See, I know one. Say my cool out, you know. Lime. This lime branch here, I cut it off a big lime tree. Once you see these sprout it start to come out, that means it catch.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and my subscribers, it's all about inside my little garden here, looking around, alright? I'm gonna give you an update on it right now. Stick and stay, don't move. Soon forward. Yeah, as you can see, we have food pantry. We have a whole heap of food can't eat, man. Yeah, we have food pantry. You have to plant something, you know. We have food pantry here. You know what I mean? Yeah? Yeah, man. We have food pantry here. Yeah, man. My little backyard garden, alright? Yeah, man. I don't know. It's all about Jamaica and patois. Cocoa. Call this cocoa the left man cocoa. Alright? Whoa, that was a bug. Almost hold on pan a bug. I have had some nice root of 1, 2, 3, 5 root of corn here. Trust me. Beautiful. Give you a wider shot. Whoa. Look at this one here. Very tall in the air, and I don't know why tall, so you know, my viewers. But watch it. I'm gonna see the corner come out yet, you know, so I don't know what they're going. Look like me planted for a long day. Yeah. Look at this one here. Very tall also. Yeah. Even the pepper is getting very tall. I don't know why them get so tall. Because we're getting some rain now. So they might get tall. Alright. First thing first, going on my little okra tree here. Yes. I have the pot on the fire now. So right now, I don't want them okra that get too big or get carrot too quick, you know. So I go pick them now. I don't like when the okra them big. And as you can see, I finger the okra and it now juke me up. This is not the juke up okra. This is the smooth okra. Yes, my viewers. Alright. Can't say me no pick a okra, you know. I have one more, you know, but I make it grow a little bit more. I cook one a day, me good. Yeah. Alright, my viewers. Tomato. You have one little okra tree down here now with 2 okra. Something upon it. I don't know what upon it, but something is on it. Yeah. My God. Alright, the tomato now. Watch my tomato plant. As you can see, a prune and chalice here a good while ago. And it started to bear, but not started to ripe as yet. But as you can see, I have 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 tomato on it. 11, 12 tomato I have on it right now. Yeah, I have 2, no, 12, 13. I have 3 over that side over there. Yeah, yeah, man. So yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Alright, look on the root of the corn. Root of the corn. I'll give you a close-up view of my viewers. Alright. Do you remember this lime? This lime branch here, I cut it off a big lime tree. I tie the dirt, I strip a part of the branch and then tie the dirt on it with plastic. Yeah, leave it for a while. And when it started to root, I cut it off and plant it into this pan here. And look here. Once you see these sprout it start to come out, that means it catch. Lovely. So by the time these leaves come out, you know, it's gonna start to bear same time, you know, because it was a limb of a big tree. Yeah, was bearing at the time. So it's gonna bear. So this is what going on now. Even the coconut plant, yeah, them cut out the blossom out of the tall tree and get it to root and then plant it. So by the time it reached to certain height, it started to bear. The jellies on the ground, we hold the tree short. Yeah, so this is what going on right now. Yeah, in graph. So yes, I don't know if you see the previous video I do when I in graph a piece of the mango limb. Yeah, well, Yesterday I engrave a piece of mango limb also, but I never do a video of that. Yeah, so soon when I cut them off, give them about 2 months to start to root, then I cut them off, plant them into a pan like this. Once you keep on water it, you're good to go, you know what I mean? Yeah. And the limb is going to bear same time because it is a big tree you cut it off from. You know what I mean? Yeah, that is what going on. No big tree now do it again. Alright. So this lime tree here plant from seed. Yeah. I have a next one over here that plant by seed also. Yeah, this one plant by seed also. Yeah, that one plant by seed also. Alright, what's this pepper here? No fertilizer, I know, no nutrients, just water. And watch. I have 3 pepper here. See a little small one over the corner there. And a lot of blossom. Yeah. Yeah man. Watch on this one. Full of blossom. Yeah. Watch on this plant here. After chalicing and prune, it started to get tall. Watch how tall it is from ground. Yeah. Alright. Okay, I'm going through. Look at this pepper over here. Look at this pepper over here. Some nice pepper. Yeah. I never pruned this tree. As you can see, there's a lot of branch and leaves on it. I never pruned this tree here. Yeah. But it's still bare. I'm just trying to see if it would do better than the rest. Yeah. Look at this one here. As you can see, it was prune and chalice. But I don't use carto chalice. Them I use stick. Yeah. Look at this one here. Yeah. Look at this one here. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, that my little, me show you my kitchen window. See there? Right on my kitchen. Yeah, right on my kitchen. And guess what now? Me have a little security guard inside here now. Yeah man, as Patwa security guard. See me? Watch him. My security guard, this you know. My security guard. Oh, go on, Siki. You alright? It's a lunchtime. No worry yourself, man. I'll carry lunch come give, man. Let's go and relax. Make sure say no goat no come inside here. Yeah, my viewers. Look at this structure here. Alright. Alright. Anyone need this structure to plant, just drop it in the comment box. Alright? Yeah. Make sure so you get it. You know what I mean? Alright, I have a planting sucker here. I did plant this planting here, but when me plant a planting sucker or a banana sucker, after it catch, I always cut it off. So as you can see, when you cut it off, yeah, and leave it like this, it spring back a bigger plant. So this is what going on. You notice how it look big? Yeah, that is what going on. Look on this one here. This is the same thing. After plant it and it catch, you cut it off down there and make it spring back. Whoa, you get a lovely plant from it. Look on this one. Yeah man. This is what's going on. This is what's going on. I plant this root of pumpkin around here, but trust me, it has spring everywhere now. It has spring everywhere, but I see some blossom put out, but I don't see any on it. I don't know if it can put out any pumpkin, but it will run all about. But I have a next. I did plant a banana tree here, but as you can see, it is very fine. Me never cut it off. It grow, catch, it is very fine. So I say, alright, I'm gonna draw it out one at a time, but I plant a planting near beside it. As you can see, I plant this planting near beside it after, about 2 months after, and notice how that big, because I cut it off. So this is what I'm showing you. You cut it off and make it spring back, and it is very huge. Yeah, we call this retransforming the planting tree. All right. Yeah. So you get a bigger planting, a bigger sucker growing. You understand? Yes. And before you plant these banana and plantain, when you dig the hole, you either throw some gran or some stick inside there, light it and burn it. Yeah, leave it for a day. The ashes inside there and the burning, and then you plant the sucker into it. Yeah, you get rid of all the fungus, because plantain and banana fungus love to live on them, you know. And once they, all right, look on this one. The fungus is there, you know, that's why it's so small. But right now, if I cut it off and leave it to spring back, it's gonna be spring back very big. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna change it. Alright? So look on the leaf here. Yeah, it's springing very big. And as you can see, my little plantation here is very small behind my cube, my fall cube back here. Yeah, alright, I have some female blossom here. I have some male blossom. Alright, male blossom. The tall blossom is the male one. If was very short, it would be the female. So you know, you could take the pollen from this one here. You could take the pollen from this male blossom. Because that is what the bird does, you know. Take the pollen. Show you the pollen. Yeah. That little yellow thing inside, you scrape it out and scrape it into the female blossom. That's how the pumpkin stay on the vine. If you don't do that, or if the bird don't do that, yeah, the pumpkin don't pollinate. And if the pumpkin don't pollinate, it's going to drop off. Yeah, I've never bird making house here. Yeah, but I let them go on. I rent them here so for a little while. You know, trouble them. Alright, as you can see, the chocho vine, it run all over. Up on the house top, it's been a while since I go up there. I need to go up there and check see what's going on up there with the chocho plant, you know, on the rooftop. Yeah. Yeah, man, I used to plant pumpkin on the rooftop. If you go back into the previous video, you will see the rooftop pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin weigh 26 pounds off the roof. Yeah, my security change spot. Yeah. I saw him work, you know, him change spot regular. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi, no one. Say my cool out, you know. Say my cool out. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, no one. Say hi, no one. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, no one. Say hello. Alright, viewers. You say hello, yeah? So yes, me viewers. It's all about plant something in your backyard, you know. Doesn't matter what you plant in. You plant it in. Yeah. Very. Alright, my viewers. Cause them taller than me, look. Very tall, alright? Yes, my viewers, don't forget to plant something. It's all about Jamaican farmers, alright? So stick around. I'm sure you a little chocho plant here. Yeah? Yeah, man, you have some quaco bush. These quaco bush take over the whole place. What me have to do now with the quaco bush? I go to the vine down here and I find the vine of the quaco bush and cut it. So all the vine just dry up, no matter where it run to. It dried up. Yeah. I have a cane top in here, supposed to plant this from when, but I have to take it out and plant it. Yeah, man. Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. I have a young tomato plant here. Yeah? Getting some rain so it look nice. You know, it's bossy. Just like the rest of the plant them inside here. So yeah, man, Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I'm almost reached the nitty-gritty. So you don't know how it go. Yeah? So my viewers and my subscribers, thank you again for watching. My name is Ever Slick and I'm out.